Hey everyone, today I'm sharing my unique approach to meme coins. While others chase pumps and watch charts all day, I focus on a smarter strategy, building and cashing out on my own terms. If you want to stop gambling and start making smarter moves, this video is for you. Quick heads up before we dive in, make sure you stick around until the very end. I'm going to be dropping one sol at a random point in this video and you do not want to miss it. Let me show you something crazy. This phantom wallet is sitting on $8.5 million and every single dollar came from launching meme coins. Let that sink in for a second. This isn't magic and it's not luck. It's exactly why I'm making this video, so let's fucking get into it. Look, I see people get absolutely destroyed in this space every single day. They're throwing their hard-earned money at meme coins, hoping to catch the next big pump. But here's the harsh reality. When you're just trading, you're the exit liquidity. You're the one who gets wrecked when the creator decides to pull the rug. It happens over and over again because most people are playing checkers while the real players are playing chess. That's why it's time to switch up the strategy completely. Stop throwing your money at other people's projects and start launching your own. I'm not making this up. You're literally watching the entire Solana ecosystem shift in real time. The people who actually know what they're doing, they've stopped trading and started launching. And here's why this is such a game changer. Launching your own coin costs practically nothing. We're talking a few SOL maximum. But more importantly, you're not just hoping for gains, you're controlling them. Instead of watching your capital slowly bleed into some random dev's wallet, every single buy order is flowing directly into your pockets. The process is ridiculously simple. You deploy a token, let the market come to you, and when the numbers look right, you take profits. That's it. No complicated trading strategies, no technical analysis, no staying up all night watching charts. This exact method is how I transform my portfolio from zero to over $1 million. And the best part, anyone can do this. Stay with me because I'm about to break down exactly how. This version maintains your authentic voice while making the message more compelling and structured. I've emphasized the contrast between trading and launching, highlighted the financial upside more dramatically, and created a better flow while keeping your energetic, casual tone. The content provided in this video presentation is for informational and educational purposes only. It does not constitute financial, investment, or legal advice. Chapter 2: Overview of Deving. Many developers launch on Pump.fun by habit. It's the famous choice, but following the crowd is often a critical mistake. Pump.fun is oversaturated. New tokens launch relentlessly and most collapse instantly. The platform's structure is a major hurdle. It automatically takes a portion of your liquidity and extracts creator fees. From day one, you are losing control of your project's resources. As a dev, your goal is to maximize profit by reaching organic traders and achieving a fast migration. On Pump.fun, this process is painfully slow and relies more on luck than strategy. You are competing with thousands of others, diluting your momentum. Success becomes a lottery, not a plan. Serious developers should look toward alternative platforms. These offer faster migration, better fee structures, and total liquidity control, giving your project a genuine competitive edge in a crowded market. Chapter 3: Token Hunting. I'd like to go on X, I'd like to go on Reddit, sometimes TikTok, right? And I'd like to look for viral tweets, viral memes, viral jokes, anything, right? I don't know what I could find, for example, but yeah, bro, you get the point. A viral tweet from anybody could work. Once you have that meme, your meme coin creation starts. In this video, I'm going with a viral meme, which is trending on Twitter. So when my token is live, I can take advantage by choosing the viral meme. Chapter 4: Token Creation. Now, for token creation, I personally use Solana tokenlabs.io because on this launchpad, bro, it fixes all of those problems. All your meme coins that are launched through here will go directly to Raydium instantly, and they will be viewed by a bunch of people immediately, which means your meme coin will get a shit ton of attention and a shit ton of fucking buyers. Now, there are two different ways to make a meme coin on Solana tokenlabs.io. The first way is to use the trending token section. In this way, token creation is done in just a few minutes, but for my new viewers, I'm making a manual token to clear the science behind the token creation. Connect your wallet. You'll get a pop-up asking for authorization. Just click confirm and you're in. Next, we move to filling in the token details. I'm naming this Nihilist Penguin and shortening it to NP to keep it catchy. Download the logo of the meme you're going to use for your meme coin. I've already downloaded it and resized it in Canva. The required size is 500 by 500. Hit next and keep going. When you reach the token settings page, don't touch anything. It's already perfectly configured. You want that full 1 billion token supply. We'll need it later. For the description, you can write whatever you want. Just click continue and move forward. Now you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this part. I always do. It's never been a problem with Raydium launches. Just turn off that toggle and skip it. The next thing asks if you want to add creator info and a project website, but it costs 0.1 Solana. Honestly, it's not worth it. Just toggle it off and keep your soul. Skip it and move on. Now comes one of the coolest features. Custom token addresses. Solana tokenlabs.io lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through Pump.fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. However, if you put moon or pump as a suffix having 4 alphabets, it will take around 20 minutes to update on Solana tokenlabs.io. So if you want to avoid a long wait while creating your coin, add PM or MO like 2 alphabets in small. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches. This part is super important. Make sure every single one stays turned on. If you turn off revoke freeze, it means you can freeze trading anytime, which is a big red flag. If you turn off revoke mint, it means you can mint unlimited tokens. Another huge red flag. If you turn off revoke update, it means you can change the contract whenever you want. A massive red flag. Serious investors notice these things right away. If they see anything disabled, they'll run. So leave all the toggles on and click create token. Your wallet will pop up asking for final approval. Confirm it with one click and boom, your token is officially live on Solana. So let's move on to the next step. Chapter 5, create liquidity. Now the next step is setting up a liquidity pool. Moving forward, click on create liquidity, which will immediately transition you to Raydium's platform. Priority 1, verify your wallet is properly connected. And when you see the create option, just click on it. You'll then see the liquidity pool selector. Make sure to choose standard AMM. Click on the token selector, then briefly return to Solana tokenlabs.io to copy your coin's unique identifier. Back in Raydium, paste that address in the search box positioned under the token selection instruction. Now we'll specify our token details. For this demo, I'm inputting NP as the symbol and Nihilist Penguin as the project name. Press add user token to confirm. Then select your token one more time. We're supplying 900 million from our total 1 billion, ideal for a meme coin. Select Solana as your pairing. This is the best part. Being the first liquidity provider means you can max out your position risk-free. First things first, deduct that 0.3 Sol fee from your total amount. Cause of the creation fee I'm pointing out. The fee tier should be set at 0.25%. After triple checking all your inputs, select initialize liquidity pool and confirm to approve the required transaction. Perfect. Our liquidity pool is now operational and the coin is tradable. So let's move on to the next step. Chapter 6, promoting MemeCoin. Forget about wasting hours manually posting. Promote Memes.fun gets you instant exposure on Dex Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your promotion. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now, toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this NP Select Raydium and hit confirm. Click pay and promote, approve the transaction, and you are done. Now just watch. It's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. Chapter 7, view token on Photon. Now click on if you want Photon, Axiom, or Nova to see the chart. I'm using Photon. Let me go on full screen for a better view of the coin, then let it fucking load in. And now the coin is live. As you can see, bang, we just got a $75 buy right here. It's absolutely insane. $77 buy again. Oh my god, bro. This is why you guys have to start having meme coins. Within 1 to 2 minutes, we just got like a $100 to $300 buy. It's absolutely insane. We are at a 1.8 thousand market cap, bro, and this coin cost me literally $0 to create, okay? Making meme coins on the chain costs nothing. It costs basically nothing, right? Now, yes, bro, more and more people are going to start seeing the coin and then buying in. That's the beauty of getting meme coins. Okay, so just let the coin run, let it go higher and higher and higher. And personally, bro, I'm going to give this coin a couple more minutes and I'll be right back to dump the coin. Be right back. All right, guys, I am back and we are pushing 10,000 in market cap. We are at the 7.8 thousand market cap, 2.5 thousand liquidity, 80 transactions, 3,000 volume. Okay, it is not bad now. When you want to make some money, now let's move on to the next step. Chapter 8, remove liquidity. Okay, come back to Raydium, ensure your wallet is properly connected and press the portfolio button you'll find at the top, and there is your current position profit time. First, click the minus symbol, then push that slider to 100%. And as you guys can see, we are now up $1.8 thousand in official profits. Ignore everything except the sol value. And as you guys can see, I'm gonna receive like 12 sol around there. Choose remove liquidity and approve. There it is, confirmation received and money in hand. That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make generational fucking wealth. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, you guys can see that we just received $1,800, which is like 14 SOL. You guys can see here, okay, even though the market is down, we still made money, bro. Like, it still works, okay? Want a free head start? I'm giving away 1 sol to help 10 person cover their first dev fees. To enter, first subscribe, second like this video, third comment, rug pull below. I'll announce the winner in 48 hours on my Telegram. Make sure you're following the Telegram or you won't be eligible to win. Don't miss out. I'm dropping bags in there all the time.